What's up, everybody? Got the Yamaha R3 2023, brand spanking new. And today we're going to be installing the quad lock fork mount, so that way it has a similar mount to my Suzuki over here. Good looking bike. We'll be drinking a little Blue Label while we're doing the install. This is everything we'll need. Got our 22 millimeter ratchet, our 5/16, and then the quad lock mounting system itself, which is pretty straightforward. It's just a ball mount system. And it works like so. It's on there pretty tight. Okay. Got that out. Bam. And all you need is a 22 millimeter socket. And then next, yeah, you can go ahead and get a close up of that. And then next, we'll install the actual ball mount for the quad lock itself. I'm gonna put some Loctite on the threads. A little bit goes a long way. It's gonna be my fixing bikes and drinking channel. So if you like drinking whiskey, recommend me some whiskey. But it just threads in as so. And then this is a 5/16 hex, and we'll just tighten that down real good so it doesn't come loose. Get on this side so I don't turn the handlebars too much. Okay. And that's how you install that ball mount. Alright, we got the ball mount on the bike. Now it's time to install the quad lock mount itself so we can mount our phone. So what we have here is this piece that mounts both sides of the ball mount. Just go ahead and attach it to the bike itself. Tighten it down a bit. And then the second piece, which actually holds your phone, we'll lock that down. And then all you have to do is position it approximately where you want it. Get your phone, press it on the quad lock like so. Put it where you want your phone to be angled at, and then tighten it down the rest of the way. Oops. And then once you get it where you want it and it's secure, you're good to go ahead and just take her for a rip. Oh.
Such good balance. Get it.